I don't know when it like turns.
I know. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. I'm like sliding.
Don't you think it in your mind? No, I can tell it's kind of like camera. If you don't know it. He's like, what are you talking about? Like, no, I'm not. It's like expensive.
I was trying to get paid and I like totally got Joanne's butt. Who likes Allison? You guys look really attractive. Oh yeah, go Melanie, go. Allison dear, you're on camera. Allison.
Allison, you're being filmed.
This is going on Facebook, so I wouldn't say anything you're about to say.
No!
Yep.
No, please don't put
Yes, Allison, it's too late.
No, can you hear it?
I don't know.
You can always just turn the volume off. That's true. Can you please turn the volume off?
Yeah, but then that'll look dumb.
No! Then we just look like retards dancing to nothing.
Well, you guys kind of look pretty
Shut up.
interesting right now. I like Melanie's face, though. Go, Melanie, do your face. JoJo has an intense face, too. Oh, man. Allison, dear, you're still on camera. Paige. Okay, I tried to zoom in on Paige's face, and Joanna was like straddling her head, so it's kind of an interesting shot. Okay, couch dancers. You wanna get your area out of here?
Joanna, you look stupid.
You guys look so awesome.
Alright, I want to do one. Woo! Play it back and make sure that I didn't.
Allison, you're still on camera.
Barely. Play chicken dinner.